Hello, this is Michael from Trike Bike, and today I'm going to talk about a suspension seat option. The one I've been using on my race trike is actually fantastic, so why not sell these to the public? What we have here is a couple of THUDBUSTER suspension seat posts made by a company called Cane Creek. We're going to open one and have a look at it. Remove this from the box. It's your seat post as normal. It goes into the frame of the tricycle. Your seat actually bolts on up top, and there's a little rubber insert in the middle of this parallelogram here. And what happens is, when you're riding along, the weight on the seat will compress this rubber fitting, and the suspension of the seat will act as it goes backwards and forwards, up and down. If you look at the different rubbers here, you'll see this one has got 2 dots. This one here has got 3 dots. This rubber here has got 4 dots. The different dots give different flexibility to the rubbers. Second dot rubber here is actually quite soft. The 4 dot is actually quite hard, and standard is the 3 dot. And what you do is you replace these rubber inserts based on the weight of the rider. So I'm just going to push this one out now and remove it from the fitting. We've got a light rider. We're going to need a 2 dot. Sometimes you've got to put a little bit of water on them to make them slide, but thankfully you're only doing it once or twice. When the seat is fitted here and the weight is on the seat, it'll compress and it will give you a really comfortable ride, and it really is surprisingly good. I know on my race trike I used to always get a sore back. Since fitting this, never a sore back, and I'm riding faster than I was before.